Here we've got OPPO Reno for Lite, and let me show you how to hide or show caller ID on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open your phone dialer, go to the More icon and enter Settings. Here you should pick Calling Accounts and then go to Carrier Call Settings. Now reach Additional Settings, and if you will click on Owner's Number, you will be able to either hide your number. So if you will click on Hide Number, your number will be hidden in all outgoing calls. Then if you would like to show it, and if you will mark it, your number will be displayed always, like in all outgoing calls. And you can also pick Network Default, so it will use the carrier's default settings to display your number in outgoing calls. And basically that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.